Hi, room 23. This week you learned -9, okay, in your Saxon math. In your bag that you picked up, you should have seen your -9, your subtraction wrap-ups, okay? So hopefully you're practicing those every day, just like we would in class. Lesson worksheet 105, we did do that this week, so hopefully you've done it. I'm gonna go through the answers pretty quickly. So if you do have a red pen or a red crayon at home, or even your pencil, totally okay. Follow along and let's go through -9 together, okay? So let's take a look. So A column, we're gonna write the answers. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Uh-oh, Spiani, why did it move? There we go, better. Okay. There we go. Okay, 10 minus 9 equals 1. 11 minus 9 equals 2. 12 minus 9 equals 3. 13 minus 9 equals 4. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 15 minus 9 equals 6. 16 minus 9 equals 7. 17 minus 9 equals 8. 18 minus 9 equals 9. 19 minus 9 equals 10, 20 minus 9 equals 11. Now, we've done the subtraction worksheets so many times that you've noticed that there seems to be a pattern, right? Always on the A column when we do this worksheet. Heading on over to your wrap up. This is, you've seen this before. We're going to match it up, right? 17 minus 9 equals 8, and we're going to draw a line right over to 8. 15 minus 9 equals 6. In class, you guys would be the ones saying it and taking turns, right? 18 minus 9 equals 9. Now, that's a doubles fact. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 12 minus 9 equals 3. 16 minus 9 equals 7. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Oops, I skipped one. 13 minus 9 equals 4. 9 minus 9 equals 0. 19 minus 9 equals 10. 11 minus 9 equals 2. 20 minus 9 equals 11. Okay. Now, on the back side of that worksheet, you will have -9 wrap-ups 3 times. So hopefully you did them and you've checked it off. You can also check your answers once you've finished A, B, and C. You can check them using the worksheet that we just completed. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys check this side on your own. And I'm going to go on to our guided class practice. Okay, I'm gonna pull up guided class practice. All right, here we go. Okay, now I'm gonna show you something really quick on this empty side before I go on to guided class practice. Now at home, I know we didn't get to take our -9, so, oh, actually, do you have them? I'm not quite sure, I can't remember. I don't think we took our fact cards home. They might still be inside your desk. But a great way to learn -9 subtraction facts is using fact family. Now, fact family, we've done it many times, right, when we do our math meeting. So what you would do is you can even do this and you can make your own fact cards. What a great idea. If you have free time today, make your own subtraction fact cards using the worksheet facts that we just did. Now, for example, if you want to make subtraction -9 fact families, what you would do is just like what we do in math meeting. You would put 16 minus 9, right, on a fact card. What would you get? You would have 7. Now, the other fact family for this would be 16, right, minus 7 equals 9. What is the addition fact families for 16, 7, and 9? We have 9 plus 7 equals 16. And if you do a switch around, 9, sorry, we could do 7 plus 9, right? Oops, let's see. Will it let me write? There you go. There we go. I almost wrote the same fact twice. So if you do your fact families, it will help you remember your -9 facts because you already did your -7 facts. So you're already halfway there. Okay, let's move on and let's talk about guided class practice 105, okay, lesson 105. So we've started off drawing a 7-centimeter line segment. Make sure you're on your centimeter side of your ruler. Measure this line segment using centimeters, okay? Then you wrote your answer here, okay? Number 1, Leah said that whenever she adds 2 odd numbers, the answer is always an even number. Add 3 pairs of odd numbers to see if she is right. Okay, now your paper is going to have something different than mine, and that's okay, and that's all right. So I'll make something up, all right? Let's choose 3 and 5, okay? Both are odd numbers. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Okay, now is this correct? 8 is a even number, right? All right, 2 more odd numbers. Let's go with 7 and 9. Look at that. The ones that I used in our fact family. 7 is odd, 9 is odd. 7 plus 9 equals 16. And that is an even number. Okay. 2 more odd numbers, all right? Let's go with, I will go with 1 and let's do 5. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6, and 6 is an even number. The teachers are texting me. Very busy day today. Okay. Number 2, show how 2 children will share the markers equally. Okay, all right, let's go down. This one we've seen before, and you can just draw little hash marks. Okay, so 13, 2 children, we have 1/2 of 13 is. Hopefully on your paper, you have your lines that look like this. Okay, make sure you draw yours out. I probably won't draw them all out. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I need one more, 13, so that'll be my extra. So 1/2 of 13 is 6. Oops, there we go. Okay, 8 markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any extras? No, we don't have any. 1/2 of 8 is 4. Okay. Number 3, show 8:25 on the clocks, all right? Just like it says, 8:25. Okay, let's see. All right. 8:25, small hand is going to go in between the 8 and the 9. Let's see if I can get this written good, like, right? My pen is actually a really nice big size today, so it's kind of big for my paper. Okay, 8:25, remember all the way around the clock, you could have counted by 5s, and that works too, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So the long minute hand is pointing at the 5. There you go, 8:25. Now, I am not going to measure the centimeter side of this box here. Remember, they have, wait a second, it's number 5, okay? Let's double check really quick. Okay, you guys are gonna write that one out in front of me because I don't have my ruler in front of me, so you guys get to check that out. But the answer for all 4 probably will be very, very similar or even the same, okay? Number 4, round each number to the nearest 10, okay? 73, nearest 10 is 70. 59, nearest 10 is 60. 18 to the nearest 10 is 20. 35 to the nearest 10 is going to be, you guys should know this because there's a trick here. We have a number ending in 5, right, in the ones place. Always goes up. So your answer will be 40. Okay. Measure and label each side of the square around the clock, a square. So these 4 are going to be the same. What is the perimeter of the square? Your answer should be blank centimeters plus blank centimeters plus blank centimeters plus blank centimeters, right? You're going to have them and then you're going to add them all up, and your perimeter answer is going to go in here. Don't forget your label, centimeters, okay? All right, Find the answers for number 6. Go through the subtraction problems. Okay, so I'm going to move my paper up a little bit so I can see. 53 plus 27. 3 plus 7 is 10. Put down the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 53 minus 27. Looks like we're going to have to borrow. So the 3 turns into a 13. Your neighbor was so kind, and so 5 turns into 4. 13 minus 7 equals 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. Here we go. We have a plus sign here. So sometimes I've been watching you guys do your worksheets and you forget to pay attention to the symbols or the signs. So you got to be very careful. Sometimes I have friends subtracting here when there should be adding, and sometimes, you know, I have friends adding here and they should be subtracting. So always pay attention to what sign it is before you do the problem. 2 plus 9 equals 11, so put down the 1 and carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. Last problem, 62 minus 39. We're going to have to borrow here. You can't take 9 from 2. You don't have enough. Cross out the 2, make it a 12. Thank you, Mr. 6. You're going to cross out the 6, turn it into a 5. 12 minus 9 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay, if you did this already and you're watching me and you're checking your problems, right? You're gonna make sure if you have a red pen at home, you're at home checking, making sure just like we're in class. And if you get something wrong, that's okay. You cross it out or you erase it and you do it again. It's absolutely okay. And you're at home. So if you cross out and you erase it and you try it again, not a big deal. All right, you guys, I will check in with you later. And we will be doing other things, okay? Have a great morning.